This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we're going to demonstrate how you can find your phone number on this device. So in order to do that, it's a very simple set of steps you need to take is to open settings, then scroll the page down and enter the about phone category. In here, go for the SIM status section and open the SIM status for the SIM card that you would like to check the mobile phone number of. So in here, once opening this little pop-up window, you'll be able to see the phone number, if it is any, saved to the SIM card memory at the phone number on SIM field. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.